In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check storage on your Hotmail account. Let's get started by navigating to the Outlook login page. You can easily find this by heading over to the Microsoft 365 website. Once you're there, look for the option that says Sign In and give it a click. This will prompt you to enter your login details, such as your email address and password. If you don't already have an account, don't worry. There's also an option to create one. Make sure your details are correct and then proceed to log in. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to the main Outlook page, which houses all your emails. Now, what you're going to do next is direct your attention towards the top of this page. You'll see a small icon that resembles a gear. Yes, that's the settings icon, and it's where we're headed next. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu filled with different settings options that you can customize to enhance your Outlook experience. From the drop down, scroll through and locate the View All Outlook Settings link at the bottom, and go ahead and click on it. This action will open a new window with tabs on the left. The next step is to click the General tab. Inside the General settings, select the Storage option. Now this is where the magic happens. In this section you'll be able to see a detailed breakdown of how much storage you've used for your emails and attachments. A handy tip. This storage view is not only crucial for understanding how much space you have left, but also for figuring out if there are any large emails or attachments that are taking up unnecessary space. You may want to clear out old emails or attachments that you no longer need to free up some extra room. Being aware of your account storage is essential, especially if you're someone who relies heavily on their email for work or personal projects. Nobody wants to find themselves in a situation where they can't receive important emails because their inbox is full. So that's it. You've now successfully checked your storage and can manage your email space efficiently. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this in the future. Remember to stay organized and keep an eye on your inbox's capacity. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.